Announced on February 14, 2025, the development of its new third-generation fuel cell system, marking a decisive step in its mission to promote a hydrogen society. This technological advancement is part of a broader strategy aimed at harnessing hydrogen's potential as a clean, renewable energy solution, offering an alternative to fossil fuels and contributing to the reduction of CO2 emissions. Since the production of the Toyota Mirai in 2014, Toyota has been a pioneer in the hydrogen vehicle industry, and with this new technology, the brand reaffirms its role as a leader in this field. The third-generation fuel cell system stands out due to several major improvements. First, the system's durability has been significantly enhanced, with a lifespan comparable to that of traditional internal combustion engines and reduced maintenance. This system is also more energy efficient, offering a 20% higher efficiency compared to the previous generation. This translates into increased range for vehicles, a key factor in strengthening the competitiveness of hydrogen vehicles against other energy technologies. Finally, through optimization of the production chain and the use of less expensive materials, Toyota has significantly reduced manufacturing costs, making hydrogen vehicles more accessible to a wider audience. This system is not limited to passenger cars. It is designed to be versatile and can be integrated into a variety of vehicles, including buses, trucks, and even trains. This flexibility paves the way for broader hydrogen adoption in public transport and freight transport sectors, which are responsible for a large portion of greenhouse gas emissions. Hydrogen trucks, for example, could replace heavy diesel trucks, contributing to the decarbonization of the freight transport sector. Furthermore, the system can be used in stationary applications such as power generators, an ideal solution for remote areas or applications requiring continuous power. Hydrogen is considered a clean energy source because when used in a fuel cell, it produces only water and energy with no CO2 emissions. Its production can be sourced from various renewable energy sources, enhancing its sustainability. However, despite its advantages, large-scale hydrogen adoption still faces several challenges, including the lack of refueling infrastructure. Toyota, aware of this issue, is collaborating with other industry players and governments to develop a hydrogen refueling infrastructure, particularly in European, North American, and Japanese countries where this technology shows the most promise. The deployment of this new third-generation fuel cell system is planned for 2026, with an official presentation at the H2 and FC Expo in Tokyo in February 2025. Toyota also aims to expand this technology into other industrial sectors, thus contributing to carbon footprint reduction in various fields, from transport to energy production. This fuel cell system is part of Toyota's broader vision for a global energy transition, with the goal of making hydrogen vehicles accessible to a larger number of consumers while accelerating the adoption of this technology worldwide. In parallel, Toyota continues to collaborate with various industrial and governmental partners to create a favorable ecosystem for hydrogen as a fuel of the future. The improvements introduced by this new fuel cell system could very well be a turning point for the automotive industry, offering a viable and sustainable alternative to the internal combustion engine. By combining better efficiency, increased durability, and cost reduction, Toyota hopes to accelerate the transition to zero-emission vehicles and make hydrogen a widely used energy source worldwide. In summary, Toyota's third-gen fuel cell system is not just a technological advancement for automobiles. It could well be the catalyst for an energy revolution, transforming the way humanity consumes energy and reducing its ecological footprint.